Thank you. All right, so let's start from the DXY. All right. So guys, today is 2016 December 28th. Okay, we just finished our celebrate the Christmas, and now is going to be end of the 2016. And this is Jack. Welcome to Jack's webinar every week. And let's start from the DXY. Okay, so DXY, which is dollar index, okay, still very bullish, right? Do you agree? Hey guys, do you agree that DXY is still very bullish? Right? Yeah, it's very bullish right now. Okay, so as we mentioned, okay, the DXY is now in sideways markets, okay, for recent few days, all right. It looks like the bullish is going to continue, right? And where will the DXY going to? So in my last seminar in Singapore, we already mentioned that the DXY is going to looking forward to the previous monthly target, which is here. Let's check the monthly chart, right? So we found look left, we found a very good structure for DXY to rally to, right? Which is 105.37 to 107, right? Which be this structure, right? So DXY still have a lot of upside room, okay? So what we can do is we are waiting for pullback to buy, okay? And where is pullback? Do we catch the pullback, guys? If you look at clearly, we can see there is a very beautiful Gardy pattern, right? Anyone trade this, right? Did you find this bullish Gardy pattern in the 1 hour chart, guys? Yeah, it's perfect, right? The B points meets the Gardy, meet the bad pattern. Sorry, it's a bad pattern. Okay, the B point meets a bad pattern criteria. C point didn't really goes beyond the A, and it pulled back to the entry zone, right? So the DXY we bought at 102.87 is all the way going to 103.56, and now it's hitting the previous structure, right? Okay, so you can take some profit. That's okay to take some profit and wait for the price to come back to 103.15 again, and you can buy it one more time, right? So this is a analysis for the DXY in both the weekly charts, monthly charts, and also the 1 hour charts. Hi, wow, I see our doctor in Taiwan. Hi, wave to me. Can you hear me? Wow, a lot of people comes in. Good. It's good. Why you guys turn off your camera? You can turn on the camera. Okay, yeah, thank you. Yeah, our new students are from Taiwan, and welcome. Okay, you just joined our group for less than a week. All right. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so DXY in the 1 hour chart goes into the resistance zone, and we want to buy the pullback at 103.15 for tonight. And looking at the monthly chart, it's still very bullish. Okay, so the potential target will be 105.37. Right? Okay, let's go to the gold. Okay, first question: how many of you guys short the gold at 150? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. How many of you short the gold at 150? Which is a very good strategy, right? Yeah. Okay, can short it. All right, that's very good. Okay, actually, for the data that in the FXCM may not be so accurate. The more accurate data you can go find for the GC. Okay, which is a gold future. Okay, so GC actually goes to 1151.4, right? That's a very good level for us to short. Okay, if you understand the structure, okay, why we want to short the gold at this level is because previously, okay, let me explain this to you. Okay, previously this is a pivot low, right? Yeah, pivot low, and when the price comes back to this level, guess what? If you are a retail trader, will you actually use the pivot low to buy? Because some people will do this. Okay, whenever there is a pivot low, they say, yeah, this is a pivot low, so they want to buy the low, sell the high. right? So people want to buy at 1150. Do you agree? Yeah. For structured trader or for for some kind of swing trader, they will actually use their pivot to buy, right? If you agree, you can reply me by type 2. All right. Yeah. If you agree, you can type 2 here. All right. Yeah. And let's go back to the 5-minute charts and see what happened. All right. And this actually really gives us very, very good lesson of how the market really moves. All right. Let's go to the 5-minute charts and we look closely at the level at 1150. Right. Okay. Here it is. All right. So that is a level. Here, that is a level, the previous support. We call it support because the price rally from here. Rally from 1152.5 all the way to 1167, right? Okay, and the price comes back to this level, and in the very, very first candle, this candle, did we see a penetrate of this move? Guys, did you see a pin formed here? And what does this pin stand for? What does this pin stand for? Guess? Yeah, you can type here. Yes, rejection, buyers, right? Buying pressure, buying forces comes in, right? However, there is another interpretation of this, okay? There's another interpretation of this. Means the previous low of this 1152.5 means this level has been violated, and the buyer, the new buyers comes in from 1150. Okay, the people trying to buy from 150. So this level, which means this 1152.5, the orders that are packing into this level, waiting to be filled, is all finished. Do you agree? Do you agree that this kind of wick tells me that the orders at the 1152.5, this level, this single level, all the buying orders at this level is gone? And the new buying orders, okay, the lower buying orders of 1150 to 1151, these levels are being filled. Do you agree? Yeah, yes. Okay, so what happened to those orders of 1152? They are trapped at a moment and then they are saved, right? Saved by a rally, and the rally goes to 1157, and then the price comes down, comes back into the 1152 again, and we see some buyers jumps in, right? Didn't we? Look at this pin bar. There are some buyers comes in again, right? So by looking at the chart, because we often say trade what you see, right? So there are buying orders formed from 1150 to 1152. Okay, these are the buying forces that appeared at the time when the gold comes to this level. However, the next candle, it actually goes down and all the way penetrate the 1150 and all the way goes to make a lower low to 1147. And what does this candle tells me? Do you think the buyers are still there? How many of you raise your hands or reply me by 3? Do you think the buyers are still there? Still there? Are you sure? But I'm going to tell you, because it makes a new low, the buyers, they have already finished their job. All the buying orders has been completed. Yes, the buyers steps, one more steps back, right? It's like two people, two person are pushing each other, right? One person wants to go to north, one person wants to go to south, okay? So in this way, the person who stands in the south wants to go to the north is the buyers, okay? The buyers step back, one more step back, which means they lose their battlefield, right? So this candle, however, there is a pink bar, there is buyer, however, it makes a lower low and tells me the previous, the zone, the yellow zone here, yeah, this part, the buyers is gone, okay? So that's why how the orders are being trapped here, okay? And then the price comes back again, right? And never goes back anymore, and all the way goes down, okay? So this tells me that there are a lot of people who are trapped here. Think of those buyers. All those buyers who bought above 1150 is now in the money or out of money, guys. In the money, they are losing money or they are earning money. All those buyers who bought above 150, yeah, they become losing money, right? Their positions are out of money, and the scary part is continue to move slower, right? And guess what? Oh my God, that is a huge move to the downside, right? And now the price comes back into the same area that previous, those people who are trapped, guess what will happen? Can you see that? Guess what will happen? Those people who are trapped here, they want to exit. They want to rescue their trades in no loss or in break even, right? Because at the time when they found that they made a mistake, right? They bought at a place that has been, penetrated, and the price continued to move lower. If they happen to, okay, didn't really cut the loss, they have to cut the loss at the time when the price pulls back to the same level. And all those buyers becomes what? All those buyers becomes buyer or sellers? Yeah, they become seller, right? So that's why we want to short at 1150, because we know that a lot of people who have made a mistake, who bought 1150 at the last time, they are trapped for so many days, and now it is for the first time back that they can so happy that they can rescue their trade. So they want to sell. They want to exit their buying trade, which means they want to exit the trade, become sellers. And we will short from 1150, and straight away we've made money of like 140 pips is $14, right? If you short one lot, you earn $1,400. Correct. Right? And my next question is, Ken, for those who have short the gold at 1150, did you take profit at 1137? Did you take some profit, or you just let the trades to run? Did you use this structure to help you to make some profit? Can take some. Okay, good. How about Ganesh? How about you? No, you didn't. Okay, James says take some partial profit. Yeah, the correct way or the recommended way is to take some partial profit, of course, because we know that there are some pending orders here. There are some structure here. The price goes up, and now we are expecting a rally from this place. And since we are expecting a rally, that's why we want to take some partial profit, right? Yeah, and it goes up again in this morning, and look, where does the price push back into? Did it just push back to 1144 to this level? Look closely here. Okay, we can see that the price has been, form a range, right? Ranging session here. A lot of people buying at 1144.9, right? Buyers, 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 buyers. Yes. And these buyers was trapped again, right? And retested so that the next time it still pulls back into this level. So this morning in the Asian time, just you know, should be, yeah, it appears in the 14:30 p.m. in Singapore time, which is 2 hours before the London Open. The price rallies back into the same structure, and sellers comes in, buyers give up, and the price just fall back. So we have another, you know, almost $7 profit. So guys, just remember the structure are really important. All right. So my question is for the new students. Have you already completed the videos of the structure, the tutorial? Yeah? Reply me, because I have no worries about James, you know, Yagamesh, Ken. I'm concerned about you guys, the new traders. All right? Good. That's good. Okay. So, yep, the structure, this is how we use structure for trading. All right, structure is everything. Structure is the most important part that you want to focus on, right? Because the structure just simply tells you where are the buyers and where are the sellers. Okay, where are the most sellers accumulated in, or the most buyers accumulated in. So here, why the price stopped at 1137? Did we find a very good structure here? Right? Because we have seen the price, okay, comes down, goes back, comes down, goes back. Buyers here. Price didn't make a stop of making a lower low here. By looking at the compare the low, okay, we know that this is a lower low. However, here the price stopped making a lower low, right? And the low tries to goes up. So this tells me a lot of buyers here, and that's why the price just boom hits into level and bounce back another times. So right now in gold 1137 to 138, there are still some buyers. Okay, so do not short gold at this level, because we don't want to sell low, we want to sell high. So my question, where will you enter the short for this chart right now, guys? $618, right? Very good. 618. That is very good. Nice observation and nice calculating. 618, 1142.2, right? That is a very good answer. And if not using the 618, where is the structure? I think the best structure comes in here. Almost the same level, which is here. Because what we can see that the price have a rally, have a support here. This is support, right? Goes up, comes down, broken it, and look at this pink bar. This candle tells me that this pulls back, rejection. The support is now become a resistance. Right or not, guys? Right? Yeah. And that's the best place we want to sell. We want to wait for the price comes back, and we want to sell if the price ever give us a chance to sell at 1142. All right. Okay. Yeah, and I think 2618 trade. No, there's no 2618 trade at this moment, because if you're talking about the 1 hour chart, okay, yeah, there's potential double top, right? But however, the structure is not being, the neckline is not broken yet. All right, so we need to see the price to really broken the structure and pull back 618 to confirm this 2618 trade. Right. All right, I think there are 39 people here. Let me just see any new faces. Right. Okay, we see wow, a lot of people. Good. Kingsley, all right. Emily, Boris, all right. Good. 5-minute charts to the end. You mean you want to buy, okay, CQ, you want to, oh, the gold breaks down. Right, this structure is going to be violated soon, right? Because we can see after 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, the 4th time, finally the buying orders here is going to be vanished. And CQ, tell me, the 2618 trade do you want to buy or do you want to sell? Sell. So where is the 2? Where is the double top? You mean here? You mean this double top? Do you mean that? 141, right? This one. Are you talking about this one? High at 141, yeah. Second top at 140, yeah. Yes, I think I get you. All right, okay, look, this will not be a 2618 trade because look to the left. Did you find another top higher than the first top? Yes. So a double top, you won't actually see the price have an even higher location than the first top. 2618 trade, you need to, you know, wait for the price to form a double top, okay, a rally, okay, and then you have a first top, and then you have second top, and then you have a break of the neckline, and you have a pullback, and you short, all right? And this is a 2618 trade. The 2618 trade, which means a double top, must appear in the top, really the top. There cannot be any point which is higher than the first top, okay? If this is the case, you want to take this as a double top, okay? Yep. All right, let's see. Okay, the price rallies now. The gold is actually finding some support at 1137, and look at the candle. Look at the candle. The candle, is this candle bullish or not? Guys, right? Okay, it's good that in this holiday mood, we still find the market are still having some kind of you know, volatilities, right? Okay, and look at here. The candle pulls back into the previous structure here. There's some minor structure here, and stop goes up, right? Okay, yeah. So this is how the candle works. Yeah, it is bullish. However, it have a very strong resistance of waiting for the bullish candle, waiting for the orders to sell it again, right? There are some people who are looking at the 1-minute charts. Let's look at the 1-minute charts. You will see even more clear, right? People who try to buy at 1139 here are trapped, and now the price goes back. They want to sell again. So the price really, you check the first ping, the sellers comes in, and now, okay, continue to rally. Good. If we see a broken of this part, this place, we can assume that the gold may have a reversal, right? Because instead of continue to making a lower high, as we taught in our cases, okay, here, check, this is 1-minute chart, okay, we have a previous high, and this is a lower high, right? This is a lower high again here. Let's just hide the market here, right? Do we see a high, lower high, and a lower high? Didn't we? Lower high, right? And what happened after this? The latest lower high was broken. The price continued to rally, right? And well, will the rally to the next high, right? And we can assume that the price may comes back again to 1138.50, and it may rally again if the price ever broken 140, right? So the gold may have a bullish trend in the 1-minute chart. Okay, so this is how we anticipate the future moves. You will need to see that which level is more important, which level is very critical. Right, so if we have this scenario 140 to 140.3, this level is going to, you know, reject the gold's rally, we can still assume that it's still a bearish move. However, if 1140, this level was broken, it may all the way goes up to 1142, which is the 618, as what Nash tells, which is here, right? 142. Okay, so that's how we look at the market in multiple time frame, and in the 5-minute charts, in the 1-minute charts, how we actually practice our eyes, how we train our eyes to be more familiar with different patterns, to be more familiar with each of the candle, which candle are more decisive, which candle are more dominating. Okay, so this is kind of a training exercise for all the people here. Okay, I will need you to do this kind of exercise every day when you look at the market. Okay, try to learn something, try to look where does the turning point comes here. Do we have a selling opportunities here? Do we have a buying opportunities here? And where is going to be your stop loss? Where is going to be your target? All right. So trade what you see and practice your eyes. Reply me by 9 if you listen to my words and record it down in your notebook. Okay. Thank you, Simon. Thank you, James, Martin, Raymond. Who else? Okay, train your eyes. Train your eyes. Okay, and trade what you see. And why you need to train your eyes? Because trade what you see. The criteria is you have to see something, right? So this is how you're going to see something. See the support, see the structure, see the 618, anticipate the move, anticipate the next move, and trust me, it's going to be very, very interesting, right? It's going to be work for your next winning trade. Okay, you just keep practicing this exercise and you will be more familiar with the market, so that every time, the next time when you have a similar patterns, you will be ready to trade it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Finish talking about the gold. Let's talk about the oil. Okay, the oil have a nice rally today in the Asian time. All right, and then just now it have a very, very fast falling to 53.60, which is this structure, and comes back again. However, guys, this is a perfect retest of the broken structure, isn't it? We have a structure here, support, and it's broken down, and now it's pulling back. So what is immediate thoughts for you guys? What we can do, or what we can try to do? Do you want to be a seller right now, or you want to be a buyer right now? Yeah, you want to sell, right? Just want to simply sell the pullback, because this candle tells me that, yeah, all the people who are buying here are trapped. And although it comes back again, seems very, very bullish. However, it cannot break the previous high, right? And look at the daily charts. The daily charts. We have a very, very strong shooting, right? Shooting star or shooting candle here. It tells me that at 54.48 all the way from 52.40, this level are very, very strong. A lot of selling orders here. And right now the price is in this zone, and in 5-minute charts, let's look at it. Okay, yeah, the price broke down, pulls back in. All right, another strong rally, but it cannot go even higher. And we know that for 54.48 is previous pin bar, the peak. So what we can do is we can create a selling order here. We want to sell the oil. Okay, we want to sell the oil based on the 5-minute charts, based on this structure, and based on also the previous daily pin at 54.48. All right, so my question is, where is the best place to put your stop loss. Raymond says above 54.48. Yeah, yes, above the high. Okay, above the daily pin bar. Above this daily pin bar will be good, right? So, and then you need to check how many points, how many pips you have to take the risk, which is if let's say we take our risk at 54.60 and now it's 54.14, you're going to have a 46 pip risk. So if you trade one lot, you're going to risk 440 US dollar, right? Yeah, Simon, good job. 54.48 plus ADR, right? Okay, there's a butterfly at 54.80, really? Let's check. There's a butterfly. Okay, yeah, I get what you mean. Yes, there is a butterfly. Nice observation. And where is Yep, the butterfly pattern completed 54.79. Okay, now here, what we can do is we can have our stop loss above 54.80. Okay, we even create a more distance, right? So that even when the butterfly completes, we are still in the trade. All right. However, in these 5-minute charts, we find a structure here. It's okay for us to enter a short trade right now, but what we can do is we don't want to enter the full lot size. You can split your entry into 3. So you can have one order selling here, one order selling at 54.48, which is a previous high, and another selling order at 54.79, which is a butterfly completion. You can have 3 orders, okay? Do you get it? Okay, because some people some students ask me, how do you manage to, to create a multiple entry? And here it is. Imagine we want to sell one lot and we are willing to take a risk of 440 pips or $440. So you can have a 0.3 lot here, your first 0.3 lot. You can enter now. And you can have another pending short here and another one and here, and make all the stop loss at 54.92 or 91. Understand? So that when the price really comes down, all right, you won't miss the trade. So that when the price really goes up, okay, you still have some other bullet to short the entry. You have a better, because after these 3 entry, your average cost will be around here. you have a better entry price for the whole entries. All right. Yeah, you can do it right now. You can short a 0.3 here, another 0.3 at 54.48, and the last 0.3 at 54.79, which is a butterfly pattern. Okay. And the stop loss should be above here. And then, since we have a multiple entry, we can have a multiple profit taking point as well. Okay, you can take some profit at the previous pin. You can also take some profit at here, 52.74, okay, which is this structure, and you can also have your last trade taking profit at 49.93. And that's how you manage your trade. Okay. Okay, so let's look at the 5-minute charts first and see whether the oil can be, rejected by this structure. Right? Okay, so this is oil, and we want to short. Okay, we want to short as long as the oil didn't really make a higher high in the daily charts. And today, I asked Jonathan to draw a chart, and I said in the daily chart, the oil is in a kind of in a wedge, right? In a wedge. Okay. Okay, so this wedge tells me that yeah, it's it's possible for the oil to broken the wedge, retest it, and make a huge downside move. It's possible. Okay, we call this a wedge or ending diagonal. Okay, yeah, it's just like let's find some. Okay, okay, quite similar of the previous one. Okay, this one. Okay, and we have a the price ready. Okay, have a peak here, broken down, retested, and going down. All right, so this pattern actually appears a lot of times here also. Okay, a lot of times you actually have this kind of ending diagonal or the rising wedge, and when it broke the wedge, that tells you that a bearish will comes, a bearish wave, right? So let's anticipate the move to be the same here, all right? So if the wedge is broken, we are confirmed that it actually will be going down, all right? Okay. Any questions about oil? In profit now. You already short, James. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Nice short. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Nice short. Congratulations. You know, you owe me a dinner because I'm hosting this webinar and I don't have the time to pull the trigger. Right? Okay. You better, yeah, you better sell some lot for me. Kidding. All right. So just if you have already sold, yeah, just enjoy your short. All right, that's good. Okay, talking about the euro dollar, let's find a move to the currencies. Okay, any people sell at 1.0490 at this structure? Any people sold it? So this level? Did you actually sell any pulls back from 1.0470 to 1.0510? That is a perfect place to short, right? And you guys see my pending orders. I have orders at 1.0470, 1.0480, 1.0490, right? Okay, 1.0461. Nice. And are you still in the trade, guys? Wow, nice. So all the people are enjoying the profits, right? Feeling good, right? Feeling good, huh? Cool. Excellent. Yeah, feeling great. So what you can do is, okay, well, although we want the euro dollar to go down, however, we have to respect the orders here. We have to respect the structure here, right? We have a structure here that tells me that there are some buyers at this zone. So what you can do is you can take half position. You can take half profit. Take some profit. You already earn almost 100 pips. Okay, take some profit and move your stop loss to break even. Right. In this case, if you are selling out at 1.0461, you just move to 1.0460. Okay, move your stop loss to here, have a risk-free trade, and get ready to short any pulls back to 1.0430. Do you get it? Is there any pullback to this level you can short again? Okay, because we have a broken candle, we're testing the structure support, take some profit, takes half profit, and when the price goes back, you want to sell it again. Okay. Yeah. Oh, look, our traders are come. Our traders are back. Hey guys, you shot euro? You shot the euro just now? Okay, yeah, our traders are shorting, all shorting euro, making money, right? Oh, and S&P. Okay, so yeah, some people sells S&P just now. The trader in front of the camera. Wow, that's excellent short, 2 to 70. Wow, this is a fantastic short in the 1 hour chart. That is a beautiful part of S&P. Nice short here. Well, I just tell my trader to short S&P just just right before our meeting starts. I say short the structure, pulls back to 270, and straight away it makes 100 pips. Oh, excellent. Excellent. Yeah, simple excellent. And what I want to, okay, let's talk about S&P is, well, guys, did you see that this structure is so powerful? These structures are so powerful, right? Even after the FOMC meetings, right, comes back, all the way goes down, and this level has been holding the S&P for so many days, and right now it finally comes down again. And what we can do is we can anticipate the S&P to broken this kind of a rising trend line. If this breaks this trend line, it tells me that a further down move will happen to 2240 at least. At least. Okay. Oh my God, there are almost 40 people want to add me in the WeChat. My God, so many people want to add me in the WeChat. Come on, I need assistance. Otherwise, I have no I have no time to manage my WeChat group. Just perfect of this 1 hour pullback. Hey, thingy, take some profit of your S&P because it's already testing the previous structure. You can take half. Yeah, and the next shorting opportunity is when it pulls back to here, to 64, right? So get your orders done. Take some profit. All right, good. So maybe he's the best trader for tonight. Make some money. Jack, where will be the stop loss if we trade the pullback for S&P? Yeah, it's very simple. I think all the people here can answer you because they know that how to trade the structure. Very simple. right? If you short here, we actually looking at the candles here, there are two rejection of the 2 to 72. So your stop loss should be just above this high, which is here. Yeah. The bottom one. What do you mean? Oh, you mean we sell the new, right? Good question. Yeah. You need to go to the 5-minute charts to see how the price action move. Okay, so right now here we see that there is a, let's say if we really pulls back to 2264 and you're going to enter shorts, tell me, where is the broken candle of this bearish move? Where is the bearish candle that breaks the structure? Maybe in 5-minute charts we can take, you can consider of this candle. So your stop loss should be above this pin, above this candle's high, right? Somewhere to 265 you do, and you looking at the 1-minute charts, you will see how the orders are goes. Okay, here, do you see a horizontal structure of this part, right? And it comes down again. So these two pin tells you there are some structure, some sellers. So your stop should be above these two pin, right? So that is how you trade when it comes back to the structure. Great. Okay, let's look at the sterling. Okay, let's finish up with the euro. So the euro dollar, we can take some profit right now because wow, see that 1-minute charts, it rise, rallies almost 10 pips, right? 1.0385 to 1.0395, 10 pips already. Why we want to take some profit just now is because we know that in the 1-hour chart there are some structure here, right? So take some profit, make the rest of the trade break even, wait for the pullback to short, okay? And that's how you're going to, to make another run of sell, okay? Look at the sterling. So the sterling, same thing. Sterling is bearish, okay? And as I mentioned last week, we know that although the 0.618, the 1.2346 have some structure, have some support, but because here this part is already being tested last time, so it may be broken of this structure this time because the buyers here are finished at the next touch and the price didn't really goes up, so that tells me that sellers, okay, the sterling also have a very nice pullback. Very, very nice pullback here, didn't we? Okay, it broken down, it breaks down the 1.2374, breaks this level, okay, price breaks down, and it just by simply using the structure, and you do that, yet this good place to short, okay? So don't buy the sterling right now. Don't buy because this still looks very bearish. Okay, it just finished the correction. Okay, you can consider the whole move of this here as a correction, and the this is a trend continuation pattern. The impulsive wave correction channel broken the channel may tells you the price may goes all the way down again to the previous low. Okay, so don't buy sterling until you find a good reason, such as a very long pin, or such as you have another kind of a test of the bottom, test of the low, didn't break a new low, and price comes back again, so you can consider to buy the potential double bottom, right? So keep short the sterling. How about the Aussie? Anyone short the Aussie at 0.7240, right? No, 7228. At here, this is the structure here. 7221. Anyone sell the Aussie or still holding the Aussie short orders still? Just close, Ken. Right, nice. Nice, nice. That's perfect. Close at 0.7165. Wow, that's excellent. Good for you, Siku. Yeah, we have some levels here, so you can take some. Of course, you can take some profit, right? However, in the 4-hour charts, all these still are very bearish, right? Because it just broken the daily support of here. Wow, who is doing the anodes? Okay. Okay. The Aussie breaks down this structure. Okay, this is very important, makes a lower low in the daily chart. Although it have some support here, and it's just testing. However, my my feeling is it's going to break. And once it breaks, it goes all the way to 0.76975 to test these two ping. Okay, and remember previously in April, right? In April time, we know that the Aussie have a potential ABCD move tells you go to 0.7080, right? Sorry, wait for a while. Need to, okay. All right, so the Aussie just keep your short and wait for the price to go to 0.70 or 0.6985, or you can take some point at 0.7090. It also can. Okay, so enjoy your short for the Aussie. Of course, for the Kiwi, wow, excellent, right? We have a 618 short before the FOMC meeting, and now it is from 0.72 to 0.69. That is 300 pips, and it will still go down. It will continue to go down all the way to here, 0.66. That is the level you want to take some profit. All right, if you trade some Kiwi, take your short and place your limit order or take profit at this level. All right. Well, okay. There are 41 people in this webinar right now. That's good. Okay. Okay. I think we are almost finished the currency. Let's talk about the dollar CAD. So dollar CAD, as the last time we see, already mentioned that it's in a very good place to buy just before the FOMC meeting, right? We see we can buy at 1.31 and now it's 1.35. That is 400 pips move. And congratulations for one of our students who are still holding the dollar CAD long, right? That's good. Right. So the dollar CAD will continue to go up as long as the channels still are valid, and it will go to this level, 1.3660 and also 1.38059. Okay, so pay attention for this level because we have a lot of institutional orders here for the dollar CAD to continue to move down. right? So you can take some profit at this level. And it's always good to use the 618 to help you to determine where is the selling opportunities. So in this case, which will be the 1.3838. So you can expect the move to go here, right? So right in the 1 hour chart, in the 1 hour chart, you don't want to buy here. Yes, I can see you, Ricky. Yeah, I saw you. Let me just where are you? Oh, here. Yeah, Ricky. No, I didn't see your face. Oh yes, I saw you. No, Rachel. Oh, Rachel is here. Oh my God, Ricky, why you are in a tower? Come on, you're scaring me. Okay, Ricky, you are so cute. Okay. Anyway, let's finish our job tonight. Continue for our trading analysis here. Well, it's good to see you guys. The end of the year, celebrating the new year, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's. Okay. Hey guys, any questions for any pairs you want me to look at? Because we have already finished all the dollar pairs, but we haven't really touched the cross pair. For the cross pair, dollar yen. The dollar yen, as I said, don't really touch the dollar yen because in the weekly chart it's already already finished the bullish momentum here, pushed back into the neckline. All right, you don't want to buy until it falls to 114. You don't want to sell until it reaches to 122. Okay. So don't trade dollar yen. However, you can trade sterling yen, and we have a very, very beautiful short in the last week. All right, we showed the 146, and right now it's 143.50. It's almost 300 pips. Okay, let's take some profit here, and your next target will be 139. Okay, at 139, that will be my final target for this shorting trade. I still remain some short 0.5 lots. Okay, I still just keep it. Okay, I know I want to short the pullbacks to 144.88. If the price ever comes back into this level, I want to short. Okay, I want to short. Right. Good. Okay, ZN. All right, let's look at the ZN. The 10-year Treasury notes. Okay, so the bond. This is a bond market, right? That is a bond for the US dollar 10-year notes. So the bond will have a negative ratio versus dollar yen, right? You can just compare the ZN to dollar yen and to the gold, right? Sure, Rachel, I can take some analysis for NUGT. Actually, I already done it, right? So when the dollar yen goes up, the ZN will go down, okay? So you can use the dollar yen for you to take some notes of where the ZN is going to be bullish or bearish, right? So dollar yen is bullish, so ZN is bearish. And right now, you can expect the ZN to push back to 124.14. You can expect the level to goes back here. And if ever comes back to this level, you want to short. You want to short, right? The gold also to go. Yeah, yes, correct. Yeah, the bond will have a positive correlation versus gold. Yeah, gold goes down, the bond also goes down. Okay, so the ZN, pay attention to this level and you want to short. Okay, let's talk about the GBP AUD. Okay, the sterling Aussie. Okay, sterling Aussie are sideways right now. Okay, however, the sterling Aussie already makes a very bullish move after last time in our webinar, right? In our Singapore seminar, we buy the sterling Aussie at 1.6855, and then it just goes up to 1.71. That is almost 300 pips. So it already tests many times, right? and still holding above these structures. So I'm expecting the sterling audit to continue to rally all the way to 1.74 to this structure. Okay, so just keep your long position, right? Keep your long position. Is ZN making a wedging for when broken it? Well, let's look at it. 4-hour chart. Sign to sell. You want to sell at here, 124.14, or you want to sell at this level. You want to sell at this level. Okay, don't sell now. Sell when it pulls back. Okay. Yeah, it is a correction channel. It is correction here. This is a correction. Okay, so price may continue to rally until it meets the previous structure and comes down again. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's good for. Yeah, look at our traders. Come on, they are in China and now it's already 11:26 p.m. They are going to finish their job at 24 minutes later. Okay. All right. So let's look at maybe the one last question. Anyone? Last questions for tonight's webinar? I think I'm going to close it because it's already 1 hour and 10 minutes for tonight. So any questions for any pairs or any gold? Gold already explained. We already explained gold tonight. You can look for the recordings because it's already finished the gold. I mentioned the gold charts in the very first beginning. Oh, sorry. So, I need to finish the NGUT, right? NUGT, yeah, let's NUGT. Okay, NUGT. NUGT is a ETF that is directional daily gold minus bulls. Okay, so I already place a chart in our group. All right, so for this one, you are looking for to sell at 7.20. Okay, look for a sell at 7.20. Okay, because the gold is still bearish and we want to sell the rallies. Okay, natural gas. All right, natural gas in our yesterday's webinar, we take a short at 3.75. Yeah, we take a short here. So it goes down and very, very nice move yesterday. Yesterday, I shot here. I shot the pull back here, comes down again, right? Comes down, comes back, we shot again. Okay, so we have a nice move. And right now, the natural gas is testing the same zone here. It's testing the same zone, so you can still make a shot. As long as this structure is valid, you can still short from 3.75 to 3.77. Because in the 4-hour chart, you know that the natural gas is having a, it's kind of a retesting the previous high, okay? And it's a very, very high likely to have a buyer failure, which is the price goes down and make a double top and all the way goes to 2.80. That is a bad pattern, right? Here. It's very possible for the natural gas to form this kind of formation. Simon, still difficult to identify and draw the structure. Can you elaborate more, especially the top and the bottom line of the structure? Okay, it's very important, very, very simple, okay? Try to, okay, first of all, if you want to check any patterns, like let's take a look at the 5-minute charts in natural gas. Okay, in any charts, try to use the horizontal line to, to cover most of the candles and see from it, let's say here. You need to move a little bit up, okay? Let the most candles to sit on this level to make this a support, right? And you can use another line here, okay, to make a resistance. So this will be the resistance and this will be a support. So then you will see a structure here. Because you know that if the price really breaks up, okay, so the structures have to make you very clear that once the structure is violated upside, you want to be a buyer. and all the structure is violate downside, you want to be a seller. Okay, and that's the boundary of the structure. You know that the top is a resistance and the support is the bottom is the support. So if it breaks down, pulls back, you want to short. Okay, you want to short. If it goes up, pulls back, you want to buy. Okay, just make sure that your structure was drawn in such way that it can help you to better understand you want to be a buyer or you want to be a seller. You get it? So here, ask yourself a question. Why did the price comes into here and rally back again? So you can just simply put the horizontal line here and look left. Did you see a structure here? Yes, you did. Okay, because previously here, there are some support here, right? And draw a circle. Where's the circle? Never mind here. Okay, there's some support here, another support here, right? And the break down, and now the support becomes resistance. The resistance becomes support again. Okay, so you know that this level is very important. Okay, and comes back here. You see, it actually the same structure will tells you where is the best buy. Yes, try to use the tail. Try to use the tail, because the tail tells you where is a buyer or where is a seller at the most extreme place. Okay. Here, you can also consider as this is a structure. This is a structure that has been, you know, rejecting. Okay, rejection here, rejection again, breaks up, comes back again, right? So this structure now becomes a support. At least here, becomes support. Yes, need more practice. So just train your eyes. Okay, try to find those daily charts. Well, you can choose any time frame based on, you know, what kind of which. Yeah, you can take any time frame to draw your structure. It's just depending. You want to trade a weekly chart or daily chart, all right? However, the daily chart structure are more important than the hourly charts. Hourly are more important than 5-minute charts, okay? Because it takes longer of the candles to be formed at the support area or whatever, okay? So you want to trade a daily, you use a daily chart. You don't want to use a 5-minute chart to determine a daily support level, okay? And yeah, try to apply some Fibonacci's or extensions here. Let's say, I think last time we have a very nice bat pattern. All right, okay. For example, here, we can use the Fibonacci extension of this move. We will know that, you know, the price is now comes into the 1.27 to 1.14, 1.414 these extensions, and look left, there are some structure here. Okay, so if you want to short, make sure your stop loss is above 1.414. Okay, and then the price is likely to have a reversal. Okay, once the top formation is confirmed, it goes down all the way to here. Okay, and it may confirm the have a cipher pattern here, right? And this is what the harmonic pattern is, right? Although this time the point B it is not so perfect, it didn't really touch the 618. However, you can still expecting the price to go like this. Okay, so we use multiple tools for us to determine where is the best support or resistance, so where is the best trading opportunities. Okay. All right, so end of the day, are we good? Do you want to Oh, right. Next week. Sorry, next week there will not be any webinars next week because I'm going to host a face-to-face course in China, right? From January 1st to all the way to January 5th. So I'm going to conduct a live course in China. So I won't be guiding you guys in the next week. However, I will try my best to make recordings so that everyone can see. It will be made maybe, you know, at maybe next Thursday. Yeah, next Thursday or next Monday. I try to make the recording on next Monday and upload to the YouTube. Okay, but generally speaking, now we're still in the holiday mood, so there won't be much liquidity right now in the market. So just use all the things that I teach you guys to do. Okay, use the structure, use everything to trade. Right? Trade with care, trade with a reason, trade with your plan. Okay, so yeah. Yeah. Thank you. All the best. Yeah, I know you are in holiday mood. Yeah, Ricky, I know. Yeah, the swap charge is high, and also the spread is high as well, right? So that's good. You can take some rest, all right? I don't think there will be much opportunity to trade in these few weeks, but just pay attention to all the charts I mentioned, right? Okay. All right. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye bye. All right. I'm going to make you a Chinese. Sorry, make a New Year greetings to you guys. Okay. So, yeah, Happy New Year and do your best in your trading, trade your plan your trade. I will check. Bye bye. Hey, say goodbye. Okay. Bye bye.